Hello there, it's Enda from WPFixNow.com, where we provide tips and tricks to getting the best from your WordPress website and your experience and obviously your investment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button down below, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell as well, so you'll be always updated whenever I put out new content. Now, the purpose of this video today is just to remind you of the importance of keeping your website up to date. Now, I don't mean the content in the articles and the images. I mean your plugins and your themes and your the WordPress core itself. Now, WordPress just recently have released a new major version of WordPress, version 5.2.3, which include many security updates. Obviously, security is the major thing, but if you don't keep your plugins up to date, you have hackers who are constantly going around looking for vulnerabilities in websites, and many people don't actually update them, and the hackers get in and they will be there waiting to take advantage, to take ownership of your site and to steal as much data as they can from you. Now, what I'm trying to advise you is basically always update your plugins, update your themes, and definitely update the WordPress core when a new release comes out. But prior to updating, you need to back up your whole site. Okay, now I have a video up on my channel. It's a very quick 5-6 minute video, just like all my videos are, and it advises you about the best practices to do for backups, to run backups on your site. Now, if you go over there and have a look at that, and definitely follow the notes that are up there, you will save yourself so much frustration in the long run. You'll be thanking me. Anyhow, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and give us a thumbs up, and follow us on Facebook as well. Enda here. Have a good day. Bye-bye.